Hello everybody, welcome to A Tale of Spices. Kerala is famous for its appams. Now the appam is actually like a fluffy pancake with a very thin crust. So what I am going to do is I am taking, this is 3/4 cup of idli rice, 3/4 cup of regular raw rice, and to that I'm adding 1/4 cup of urad dal. This is whole white urad dal, so I'm adding that. Now I have to give this a quick wash and then I have to soak it in water. So this has been washed completely. I'm just going to add some water to soak it nicely, and this has to soak for about 4 hours. To this I'm adding 1/4 spoon of methi seeds. So this has to soak for 4 hours. So this has been soaking for almost 4 hours now. So I have to make it into a very fine smooth paste. So while making the paste, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of grated coconut to my blender jar. And the rice and the dal mixture. And I'm going to make it into a really smooth batter now. So you see this has become a nice smooth batter. I'm just taking it out into a bowl. To this I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Mix it up, and you have to leave it to ferment about 7 to 8 hours. I'm actually leaving it overnight, so it ferments nicely. Usually it takes about 7 to 8 hours depending on the weather. If it's a warm weather, definitely in 6 to 8 hours it will ferment nicely. So this batter has fermented nicely now. So you see this has fermented beautifully. Now I am not going to use the entire batter for the first time. So you can actually make this batter and keep it in your refrigerator, and you can take out how much ever you need and mix the next step. So I'm going to take about 1 cup of this batter, that's thick batter, that's about half a cup and 1 cup. And to that I'm going to add about 1/4 to a little bit more of coconut milk, and I'm going to mix it up nicely. To that I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. This will give that nice light sweet taste to the appam. So this is ready now. To just before I'm going to make the appam, I am going to add just a pinch of cooking soda. Just a pinch of it, and mix it up. Now this is an appam pan. Now it's basically like a kadhai, but it's a very shallow kadhai. To that I'm adding just a little bit of coconut oil and just grease it up fully. Now this is pretty hot. So to this I'm going to add my 1 ladle of the batter, and what we have to do is we have to swirl the batter. That is what is going to give the nice you swirl the batter, and then just a little bit of oil, coconut oil, and cover it, and this is on low to medium, and it will take about a minute to 2 to cook on one side. So this is about after 2 minutes. So you can see that the edges have started getting a light golden brown, and it's left the sides, so which means it's ready. So I'm just going to take it out and plate it out. So there you have the appam. It's light golden on the one side, and the other side it's plain white and spongy. It's spongy in the middle and crisp on the sides, so it looks like a bowl. So this is the Kerala appam, and I hope you try it out soon. You can serve it with vegetable stew. You can look for the recipe of the vegetable stew in the description box. And I hope you try it out soon. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.